overly sweet versus straightforward individuals. Over the years, I have met many people, and we all do. It's when I started to analyze my association with a deeper thought of overly sweet versus straightforward people that I felt a revelation. People who are usually overly sweet are the people you need to be careful from. Getting rude at times is a human thing, but to remain sweet at all times, according to me, is not humanly possible. I have noticed this, and I will want you to also take a moment to reflect on your contacts. Analyze the overly sweet and straightforward people in your life and your experiences with them. I believe people who are usually straightforward are considered to be rude, but are the ones who speak their heart out. They might look angry to you and at times not the best of people, but they probably have a higher chance of being the better and clearer person to deal with. According to my experience, the straightforward and tough people are usually clean by heart and are better to deal with. One such example is of me looking for a rented place to start an automobile franchise business. I happened to meet multiple people while scouting for a showroom. At the end, I liked two places and got a chance to meet their owners. One was a straightforward, partially rude person, Anand, and the other was way overly sweet, Ramesh. The broker informed me that it was very difficult to make a deal with Anand. On returning to my desk to compare the offers from both, it was ample clear that Anand was upfront in asking what he wanted, and was even very fair and square, that he will give us the discount we needed, whereas Ramesh didn't budge at all. In fact, he had multiple hidden costs that we were not aware and would be coming. We decided to go ahead with Anand, and incidentally we operated from the same location for 14 years without any problem whatsoever. In so many years, I have had similar experience and comparison of overly sweet and straightforward people. And to me, dealing with a straightforward person is far better than dealing with a sweet one. Leaving you with a very good saying, there is always a wild side to an innocent face.